Hello, hello, hello. What's up, everyone out there in YouTube land? I hope you guys are great. I am feeling great because I just recently restarted my working out. I have not, I'll be honest with you guys, I have not worked out any form of exercise, cardio, maybe a little bit of walking from here and there, but I have not done anything since the beginning of December of last year. So it's been a little bit for me. So I'm really happy. I finally got a good 3 days in this week, and I'm gonna try to be definitely more consistent. I actually ended up canceling my gym membership because at first I was feeling uncomfortable with like 90% of the people not wearing masks. Comment if you guys feel the same way. Like if you go to the gym and like you feel uncomfortable about, going in there and seeing, people not wearing their masks. That kind of makes me feel uncomfortable. So I couldn't give my full attention to my workout because I was so worried about somebody coming past me or coughing or something like that. So I just decided, you know what, until I feel more comfortable with being around people who don't have their mask on in the gym, I'm just going to cancel my gym membership because honestly, I'm wasting my money anyway. I'm just giving them my money, month after month. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to cancel this thing for right now until I feel more comfortable about going back to the gym. And then, once I'm able to give my full attention to my workout, I'll feel like I'm not wasting my money because right now I definitely feel like I'm wasting my money. So I'm just working out at home. It's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. I had a very, very good workout week. So if you guys can do me a favor and like this video for me, I would really appreciate that. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so as the title says, sorry about that. As the title says, we are going to be creating free landing pages for our affiliate products, our digital products, and whatever products we're promoting. I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. It's very easy. Okay, as you can see, I am on clickbank.com. That's one of the many resources that you can go to get a free digital to get a digital product that you can promote for free. Okay, so here's if you don't know about Clickbank, go to clickbank.com. Come here, fill out a registration real quick, and get your account. All right, so this is the Clickbank Marketplace. As you can see, there's so many different types of products to promote. They have arts and entertainment. They have betting systems. They have computer internet, cooking, education, employment, fiction, games, and the list goes on and on. But since we're talking about working out, I am going to look up a product that I uh, promoted, and I believe it's called Xpure or Xepure. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. I am bad with names. I am really bad with names. But we're just gonna say Xepure. That's what it looks like. Xepure. Okay, so here is the product right here. As you can see, they're going to pay you $149.68 for every sale that you get. Okay, and the cool thing about this product, which I love, it's reoccurring payments. So not only do you get that 149.68, you also get you also get a reoccurring commission of $38.25 because they charge the customer monthly. So not only, like I said, not only are you getting that commission, but you're also getting this nice passive monthly commission once you make for every sale. So imagine 10 sales, 20 sales, 30 sales. Sky's the limit, when you're promoting products. That's what's cool about this. All right. So, yes. So the first thing you want to do is hit promote, get your link. You put your nickname in here. I believe mine is Harding, I believe. And click create hot link. And here's your link right here. So you're just going to copy that. That's your affiliate link. That's the link that you need to use to promote to get your sales, so they know it's you. So for those who don't know, okay. So, and I believe I have my link already copied. Yep, that's my link right there. That's my affiliate link. Now you see how long this link is, how long and ugly it is. We're gonna shorten that. So we are gonna go to. It's really simple. Let me just copy and paste this. I believe I already did. Okay. We're gonna go to a site called Brandly.com where you can short your link. This is completely for free. Go ahead and if you're not signed up, go ahead and just sign up real quick. But I am already logged in. So I am going to create a shortened link for my affiliate product that I'm going to promote for free. Okay, there we go. Oh man, I lost it, sorry. Okay, so Okay. It's going to give me a shortened link. All right. You just want to name it something. Now you can name it. I'll just keep it like that. But you can name it anything you want. If you want to name it after the product, if you want to call it, it's a weight loss product. So if you want to call it weight loss or whatever you want to call it. Okay. That'll give you your short link, your shortened link. Okay. And there we go. So I want to copy and paste my shortened link that I'm going to use in my on my landing page. Okay, that we will get to in a minute. Okay, so that's my shortened link. That's my Clickbank link to promote my product, and this is my shortened link to also to promote my product. Okay, so we're going to close that. Okay, what are we going to next? Sorry, lost my train of thought. Let's see. So after, okay, so let's go ahead and create. Now that we have our shortened link and we have our product that we're going to promote, we're going to go ahead and make our free, quick, easy landing page. So just go to Google. I'm sorry. Go to Google.com and look under Google Docs. This is very simple. These are example purposes too, so I'm not going to go through everything, but I'll give you guys the basics of it so you guys can understand it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. All right. So as you can see, we're on Google Docs right here. So we're going to go into Docs. First thing we're going to do is wait for this to load. Sorry about that. Okay. So we're going to click on blank. We're going to create a simple landing page to promote our product and hopefully get some commission sales. Okay, all right. Here's our blank page. As you can see, it's just a fresh white blank page. Now, you can make this look as fancy as you want to. You can change the color, you can change the text. There's a bunch of options that you can use up here. You can add pictures. I'm not going to go through all that, but you you can make it any way you want. You can add pictures, you can add fancy text, you can add cool fonts. Okay. This will be I'm gonna keep this really short for time purposes of the video. This is just an ad I just came up real quick. Lose weight, feel great. I'll copy and paste that if it wants to, if it's gonna copy. All right. Copy and paste. Oh, you got to press Control C. Okay. Control V, sorry. Okay. So Control V. There we go. Okay, there's our ad. Okay. So let's just pretend that this is my landing page. Imagine a bunch of pictures or your landing page. Imagine a bunch of pictures, a bunch of fancy text. You can make it any way you want to. Now, how we're going to get our affiliate link is very simple. You can do this with pictures. You can do this with text. You're just going to copy this or highlight this. Come up to this right here, this little where it says insert link. And we're going to get our link, our shortened link. Let's see. Get our shortened link. And paste that in there. Or you can use the other link. It doesn't really matter. I like to use the shortened link. Copy, and I believe you have to press Control C, or can you just copy in here? Can you just paste it in here? Oh, we can. Cool. Okay, so there we go. Now our link is in there. And like I said, I'm not going to go through all that because it's going to take me a while. But you can add pictures. You can add cool fonts. You can add pretty much anything you want to in here. Okay, so that's going to be our landing page. That's what we're going to promote, how we're going to promote our product. Okay, and to get the website, you just go up here to share. To get the link, to get the link to your landing page, go up there, share, press save. And you should be able to get your link. Let's see. No, you don't want it to be. Okay, right here, You want to go to copy link. It automatically by default will say restricted. See it? You can just click on this to change it. Click on to anyone with link. Alright, there you go. That way everybody can see your link. So you're just gonna paste. You're gonna copy that. You're gonna copy up. That's your landing page link. Okay, done. And we're going to paste it in here. In our notes. Alright. Okay, that's our landing page link. You can shorten that also if you want to, but I'm not gonna. You can just go back to rebrandingly and shorten that if you would like to, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, so let's test this out. Make sure this link is working. And also, let's test out our make sure our text to our website is working too. Okay, copy and paste. Make sure this works. Hopefully it does. Looks like it's working. So it's loading up. Yep, there we go. It's loading up. Sorry about the slowness. Okay, now this is, like I said, imagine this being, with pictures. You can add, go to Google and find you some weight loss pictures. You can actually go to that's the other thing I forgot to tell you. So you can actually go, let me see if we'll go back. You actually go here to the affiliate page and get pictures and text and all kinds of stuff that you can use for your website, also your landing page to your product. Okay, so let's make sure, now this should click to our product. Maybe it won't because I'm actually on it. What did I do wrong? Okay, let me see. Should click on it. Maybe it's not letting me do it because it's my website. Oh, crap. Or do you have to press? Oh. Okay. That's weird. I thought that it would be able to let me go to the product. It should. Sorry about this, guys. Why is this not letting me go to the product? Maybe because it's my page. But as you can see, the link is still there. That's our link. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Let's make sure that that's okay. Make sure that that's redirecting to our Clickbank offer. Let's see. It should. Redirecting. Yep. Pulling up. This is our Clickbank offer. Okay, so it worked. But when other people come to your website, they won't have to do that. They'll just be able to click on the text, and it will. And here's our Clickbank. It'll go right to your Clickbank product. And here's our name, so we know it's our product. Sorry, it's computer. Okay, there's our name. I'm sorry, that's my name. It'll be a different name, whatever your Clickbank nickname is. Sorry about that. Okay. So yeah, so it worked. So there we go. So that's how you make a free landing page for any product. I think since this one's having trouble loading, I'm going to do a part 2 video on how to promote this for free, and I'm probably going to end this video right here. But that's pretty much how you make your free landing page for your product. Let's see if this is going to. Okay. So yeah, so I'm just going to stop it right here. I apologize for the inconvenience, but I'm going to do a part 2 right now on how to promote um, your digital product, your digital product with free traffic. So you guys have a great day. I'll see you in part 2. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.